Hey guys, how are you doing? In this episode, we are going to see how to change your contact name on iPhone. If you have recently got a new iPhone or coming from Android, when you make a call from your iPhone to your friend's iPhone or family member's iPhone, then you can decide what contact name and contact photo. And with the release of iOS 17, Apple have also released contact poster feature where your portrait photo can be shared with your friends and family members who have already saved your contact. And this type of portrait photo along with the name scrolling on the background can be displayed. Follow these simple steps to enable or change contact name on your iPhone. The very first thing you have to do is navigate to phone application and then tap on the contacts section. Here you can access my card section. If the my card is not visible to you, then you have to configure the my card settings correctly. Save your personal number, the SIM card that you have inserted in this iPhone, as a separate contact inside the phone application, and then navigate to settings and then scroll down a little bit to navigate inside contacts. And here you can see the my info section. So navigate inside that and you need to select your contact that is synced with your iCloud account. Once selected, this contact will be displayed as my card under the phone application contacts section. So navigate inside the my card, and by default the name, the first name, last name and the nickname that you have provided while creating your contact will be the default name that will be shared, the contact name that will be shared with other iPhone users. And here when you tap on edit, you can change the first name, last name and the nickname details right here. And you can, of course, within this page, you can add your contact details, you can add the email address, change the ringtone for specific contact, and birthday, and any other anniversary related details for that specific contact. So in this case, your personal contact. So once configured, the name will automatically be synced with other contacts that you have saved in your contacts book. And when people call you or send a message via iMessage, then automatically it will ask them whether the name and the photo should be updated or not on their device. And here the contact photo and poster, you can edit your contact photo and poster here by setting the portrait photo that you have, which have the depth effect enabled, or you can customize it even more by tapping on the edit, and you can have multiple contact posters and change it whenever you want. So this contact poster along with the name will also be updated, and users who are calling you will also get a notification about that you have updated your contact photo, the contact name, and whatever the changes that you make will be synced across your friends' contacts based on the privacy settings that you have selected here. The share automatically share to all the contacts that you have saved on your iPhone, and whenever they text you or via iMessage from their iPhone or make a phone call, the contact details will automatically be updated and displayed. So this is how you change your contact name on your iPhone, and I hope this video helped you to figure out how to do that. For more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day.